Hey, this is Ryan at Take a Break Spas and Billiards, and I'm here to announce our Black Friday specials. This Friday, on Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday only, when you buy a hot tub, pool table, or sauna, you'll get a present in one of the relevant product categories that you purchase. So for hot tubs, that's either a free smart tub unit to control your hot tub up to $1,000 in MSRP value, or a free grill, or even a free massage gun up to $200 in value. If you get a pool table, you will get an upgraded player kit or a sweet player's queue up to $400 in value. You get to walk the store and pick your favorite one. At minimum, you have the chance of getting $100 off your purchase on top of the already discounted prices that you got for Black Friday, or $100 towards a variety of different restaurants. So let's check out some of these amazing Black Friday deals. The first Black Friday deal that we got going on obviously is our low pricing across the entire store because of our extensive overstocked inventory that we got. Especially on our hot tubs right here. We have hot tubs as low as $3,800 on our refurbished side, or you can get a brand new hot tub that is installed and delivered with a cover, lifter, steps, and chemicals, all for $51.59. And our Black Friday deals on our pool tables are equally as awesome because they're also overstocked. We're getting thousands of dollars of discounts on our pool tables, and you can get a pool table as low as $1,999. We're also breaking heavily into the sauna market, where we sell 4 different brands of saunas. You can get yourself either an infrared sauna or even a traditional sauna with steam. You can get a sauna for yourself as low as $32.99. So those are our Black Friday deals here at Take a Break, along with many other things that you can find here in our store. We have the lowest price guarantee, and if you don't believe us, give us a call and try us out. We won't be beat on any of these deals. So give us a try here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards.